I attended the masterclass. It was a very inspirational masterclass. I wrote about transformational leadership. It has helped me improve in my personal capacity as a leader.
Leadership Masterclass. So far, I love the experience.
I've learned that how to utilize different types of leadership skills in different types of situations where we engaged in a lot of teamwork.
I'm very passionate about pharmaceuticals and supply chain management in the public health sector. And many people have been part of this masterclass in leadership.
I found the program to be asking important questions to me as a leader in my own space to say, what can I do wrong? How can I amplify the voice that I have as it stands, my power, and how can I stand out and come up with the solutions that Africa needs to do?